What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. Today, I've got another Haudio radio. We're going to be putting it in my wife's CRV because she's got an old radio and she wants something a little more modern, wants to come up to 2026 standards, and Haudio is definitely the way to do it. They've sent me out quite a few radios, and we'll be checking them out over time, but for today, this is their 9-inch HD model, so we're going to unbox it real quick, and then, after that, maybe we'll get into a spray out. Alright guys, so much like the last time I reviewed one of these Haudio radios, it comes with all the modern accessories to get you up to 2026. This is a really cool, it says Capacitive Touchscreen, so that'll be interesting. It has high definition. It comes with all the connectors you need for different stereo inputs, subwoofer inputs. It comes with extra jacks for running line amps, and it comes with 2 extra USB connectors and detailed install instructions, guys, that walks you through everything. It has all your backup camera stuff if you want to add a backup camera. And look how small everything's gotten on these, man. I remember when it used to be a big bulky old thing, and now it's just this little thing. It's crazy to see how far stereos have come over time, but I think this will be a very cool install. So let me get to tearing her dash apart, and we'll get this really cool Haudio radio put in. Out with the old and in with the new. A really nice Haudio 9-inch big screen. What do you think, sweetie?
I love it and can't wait to use it.
So if you guys need a great affordable radio, definitely go check out my links below for Haudio, and shout out to Haudio for sending out some awesome radios.